Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Shiba Inu from Uphold to Revolut in 2025. If you're holding Shiba Inu on Uphold and want to move it to Revolut for better management or trading, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, but always double check for any platform-specific changes. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Revolut, and that your Shiba Inu tokens are securely in your Uphold wallet. In 2025, Uphold has integrated faster withdrawal options, so start by logging into your Uphold app or website. Navigate to your Shiba Inu holdings, and select the Withdraw or Send option. You'll need to enter the recipient address. Here's where Revolut comes in. Next, open your Revolut app and go to the crypto section. By 2025, Revolut supports direct deposits for popular tokens like Shiba Inu, so copy the unique wallet address provided in Revolut for Shiba Inu. Paste this address back into Uphold's withdrawal form. Don't forget to double-check the network. Shiba Inu typically uses Ethereum's network, so select ERC20 to avoid any errors. Enter the amount you want to transfer, keeping in mind any gas fees or Uphold withdrawal limits, which might be around 1 to 2% in 2025. Once you've confirmed the transaction on Uphold, it usually takes 5 to 15 minutes to process, depending on network congestion. Head back to Revolut and refresh your crypto balance. You should see your Shiba Inu tokens appear shortly. If there's a delay, check your transaction status on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. A quick tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets safe. Also, watch out for minimum transfer amounts. Revolut might require at least 0.01 SHIB to make it worthwhile. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly transfer Shiba Inu in 2025. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you next time.